Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With your hands to your thighs, begin to gently twist from right to left, keeping your spine long with your navel back towards your spine, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, raise your arms out in front of your chest. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, working to bring your knees to touch your hands if possible. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, lift through one knee as you squeeze and contract through your ab muscles. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Continue alternating right and left, making sure to exhale on the exertion, squeezing and contracting through your legs and abs, feeling your hips, thighs, and deep core working together to boost coordination and endurance. Adding a leg extension, continue alternating right and left, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Adding a toe touch, inhale, arms reach overhead, and on your exhale, reach across your body as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, strengthening and toning while creating more flexibility through your legs. Release and return to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Begin to alternate reaching one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, activating your obliques while working through the front, back, and sides of core. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques and hip flexors while improving lateral core strength and stability. Release and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques and hip flexors. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, moving from your waist, using your core to stabilize, working through your obliques while improving your coordination. Pause with both legs extended, moving into a leg lift variation. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while toning through your lower abs. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a toe touch. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach across your body as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue alternating right and left, making sure to exhale on the exertion, squeezing and contracting through your legs and abs, improving posture and stability while working on your coordination. Pause with both legs extended. clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Lift one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, and repeat on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, keeping your legs engaged, your spine long, and your navel back towards your spine. Feeling this movement, activate your deep core muscles. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, lightly drawing your navel in and up while cinching in all the way around your waist. Slowly and with control, lean back slightly, and then use your abs to return to upright. As you continue with this movement, work to keep your back from arching, feeling your spine straight and your navel back, strengthening through the front, back, and sides of core while improving your posture. Pausing, step your feet back to center and maintain your arms. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.